This video is brought to you by A Better Plumber. Plumbing for beginners, 4 tips for successful DIY plumbing. Plumbing issues at home are messy situations. For concerns like clogged drains or running toilets, try these DIY tips for your next minor plumbing project. When it comes to plumbing issues, the best option is to call for the experts. But, for minor plumbing issues that do not require professional help, you can turn to these simple plumbing tips for convenient DIY solutions. The essential tools you need for these tips are always available at the nearest hardware store at an affordable cost. You should always maintain a functional plumbing system in your home to avoid unpleasant scenarios concerning plumbing issues. Apart from the mess, you may also experience some significant disruptions in using your home's plumbing system, like kitchen sinks, bathroom, and the like, and thus need to wait until the problem is solved. That's why for worst-case scenario preventive measures, it's always helpful to know some tips and tricks on how to clean your home's plumbing. Plumbing issues, preeminent major ones, require the help of plumbing professionals like those from A Better Plumber. But, if minor plumbing problems arise before they become issues that only experts can solve, you can unleash the inner plumbing expert in you and try these helpful DIY plumbing tips at home. For minor plumbing issues at home, like slight clogs and leaks, here are some helpful points that every homeowner should remember. Know your pipes. When it comes to plumbing, several types of pipes differ in various aspects. If you can't tell which one to buy, you may risk causing more problems than solutions. You should know that different measures of pipes have specific functions. For instance, CPVC pipes in plumbing systems use hot water running through them, such as washing machines and dishwashers. On the other hand, PVC pipes work best for cold or regular water lines. Moreover, these pipes are measured differently. PVC pipes are measured using the diameter inside the lines, while CPVC pipes' measurements come from the diameter outside the tube. If these seem confusing for you, consider taking a small sample with you when you drop by a hardware store for the proper pipe type and measurement. Replace parts in your toilet and faucet by yourself. You can change your toilet's flapper or the faucet's cartridges without causing substantial damage. However, remember that you should always leave the complex plumbing fixtures like shower and sink pipes to the experts. One of the most common plumbing issues at home involves constantly running toilets, and a worn flapper usually causes these. This rubber part is essential to keeping toilet bowls and tanks from leaking. A new flapper does not cost too much, generally less than $10, and it comes with an instruction manual that would allow you to do the job in about 10 minutes. This situation also applies to the faucet's cartridge. After getting the proper supplies from your local hardware store, you can undo a few screws and replace the entire interior with a new cartridge. Thus, for running toilets and dripping sinks, you might also give these plumbing tips a try. Unclog your drains manually. One of the ways to clean your pipes at home is to prevent a clogged drain situation. If your drains are clearing slowly, you should steer clear of expensive chemical cleaners. Instead, you can quickly clean your drains at home using a drain snake. In the long run, chemical drain cleaners will harm your pipe's interior with continued use. You can use drain snakes to keep foreign objects out by plunging them into the drain and pulling it back out with a blockage. If this seems troublesome for you, try a wet vacuum cleaner to remove clogs from your drains. For kitchen drains, you can use screens or install disposals to prevent food from clogging your drain. Go for thread tape. If your DIY project involves pipe threads, thread tape works better than a thread sealing compound, or pipe dope, for fewer drips and smears. You can purchase a multi-purpose tape and try rolling it around a pen counterclockwise at least 3 times for the best results. The good news is that thread tapes are one of the easiest to find in local hardware stores, so you shouldn't have to worry about where to look. There you have it. While these tips could come in handy for your plumbing system, it's always best to refer to our plumbing experts at A Better Plumber. Calling on professionals will ensure the best and most reliable results, especially for major plumbing concerns. We hope that you find these plumbing tips helpful and convenient for your next minor plumbing project. For plumbing emergencies that you can't solve, it's convenient to have our plumber's number on hand. If you need a plumber in Arvada, Colorado, call us, and we will do the dirty work for you.